How's it going? Welcome to another video. I've got a new project that I'm going to be working on, so let's get into it. So we're going to be working on a personal vehicle of mine. This bike was given to me by my brother-in-law as a first bike. So we're gonna make it a new bike. This is a 2006 Yamaha XV250. It's nothing crazy, but I've never ridden a bike before, so for a first bike, I think it'd be good enough. This harness is definitely been messed with. It's got all these butt connectors on it. Not really too sure what's going on with that. I think this one's all chewed up. Alright. Definitely have to get a new one of these. That ain't gonna work. These ones are broke. One of them was broke anyways. I definitely need to keep the connectors though. think that about wraps it up for this one. We got some of the bike torn down. Not a whole lot, but gotta start somewhere, right? Got a lot of issues to fix. A lot of wiring issues. I'm gonna have to pull up the Yamaha schematics for the wiring diagram. But you know, you run into stuff like this. It's like I don't even know. People just run screws into things. They don't know what they're doing. I mean, really? I don't think Yamaha put that in there. Somebody spray painted this multiple times. So, again, yeah, we got some issues to fix, but that's all right. That's what we do. We fix stuff, and we're gonna transform this bike into something badass. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall.